Hi partners, my name is Fernando Gonzalez, and I want to show you the website that I used last week in order to make my ERD diagram design. So basically this website is for learning to code. As you can see, there is a big catalog for learning many programming language, many courses based on the uh, specific task or specification from every programming language. And if you want to get into this website, you need to make a registration. So this is very obvious that the website has a database or table for all the students that um, and are taking courses in this website. In fact, this is the first entity that I identified from this website. So I have created this table named student, and of course this student table have a specific ID for each student. As you can see, there are fields like first name, last name, location, email, and date of birth. The another entity is courses. This website you can take a lot of courses. So the second table that I have created is this one. And as you can see, there is a relation between these two entities. So this is a third table, third part. I don't know how to say it, but basically you can track how many courses or what courses a student is taking based on the student ID. Um, there is another table here, but this is one too many. And is named course type. What type of course you are taking, because there are many levels in this website for learning and taking one course. For example, in this table we have um, course level, and I am using that kind of data enum. In order, you can type beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. And the course types make a reference of the level and the type of this course. For example, we can see in this website what type of courses you can take based on the objectives you have. Full stack engineer, front end engineer, and computer science. Of course, there are another type of careers. So basically, this table is making reference of that kind of course. And this is a relation between the programming language and kind of course, because one course can have one or many programming language. So this is a relation that is between these two tables. And we can see there is another table that refers to another relation that exists between table named technology, because when you are learning a new programming language or you are taking a course, you may need technology or environment in order to run your application or the kind of work you are taking or you are doing. So um, every programming language needs environment or technologies in order to work. So we can see this relation based on the programming language ID. You can see what kind of technology may need this programming language. So this is my video. It's based in in a very simple way on this website, based on the score and the courses found you can find out in this website based on the how many students are taking courses here, the different different kind of technologies to be used for every program. So that is all. Thank you and have a good